Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how can you get voice changer for Discord. In order to get voice changer for Discord, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to open up a new tab and on the web address bar, type in Clownfish voice changer. After which, press the first link that comes, that is www.clownfishcharger.com. Then you want to make sure to download the charger and click the download button. And then you could go ahead and select the version as well and click on download. It's going to take a couple of seconds, so click on download once again. And select the version as well. And you could see that it's downloaded. Now open up the file explorer and locate the voice changer. Now you want to double click on it and run the installation, so click the OK button and click the next as you're done setting up. Now click on the install button and then it's going to take a couple of seconds. Just wait patiently. What you want to do is, after that, you just want to go ahead and click on the show hidden icons, and from there you want to right click on the mouse, and after which what you want to do is you want to go to this section of setup, then go to system integration, and here you'll need to make sure that you've selected the correct microphone and it's already installed. And once you've done it, so you want to click on the close button after you've completed the steps. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the show hidden icon. So here you want to go ahead and select set up a voice changer from the top, and now this is going to help you out to change the voice. After which you want to open up the Discord from a browser and go to the user settings from the bottom of the page. And when you go to the user settings, here you want to go ahead and locate voice and video. Here you have to make sure to configure the correct ones and go ahead and make changes right over here. And once you've done it, and now you're all set to use the voice changer. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.